Hello everyone, today we will learn 5 most used GenZ slang, so let's start. Here are 5 GenZ slang terms. 1. Lit, exciting, fun, example, this party is going to be lit. 2. Ghost, to suddenly stop responding or interacting, example, he ghosted me after our first date. 3. Salty, bitter or resentful, example, don't be salty just because you lost the game. 4. Low-key, secretly or quietly, example, I'm low-key excited for the weekend. 5. Cap, lie or exaggerate, example, you're capping if you think you can finish that project tonight. These slang terms are popular among Gen Z, but language is constantly evolving. Thanks for watching.